Charming two-story American garden house, brick accents, spacious walkway, unique style garden design. Nestled serenely within the idyllic setting of lush, green gardens, the charming two-story American garden house stands as a testament to elegant architectural design fused with the tranquility of nature. At first glance, the house captivates onlookers with its harmonious blend of structure and surroundings, a perfect blend of comfort and rustic appeal. The most striking feature of this home is its expansive, all-encompassing walkway that meanders gracefully around the property. This walkway not only serves as a picturesque approach to the house, but also forms a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living, encouraging leisurely strolls and providing easy access to various sections of the garden. The lower ground floor is a masterpiece in highlighting architectural aesthetics combined with purposeful design. By utilizing brick wall paint, this level exudes a warm, inviting aura while paying homage to classic American style. The brick accents serve as a defining characteristic that harmonizes with the surrounding garden, creating a symbiotic relationship between the house and nature. This choice of design makes the ground floor a focal point of the home, attracting attention and admiration from visitors and passers-by alike. The garden, with its own unique style, wraps the house in a verdant embrace, offering a serene retreat from the bustle of daily life. It is thoughtfully laid out in sections, each with its own personality and appeal. Flower beds bursting with seasonal colors, meticulously pruned hedges that provide structure, and secluded nooks perfect for reflection or reading. This variety makes the garden not only visually appealing, but also inviting for exploration and relaxation. As you stroll along the walkway, you'll encounter the gentle symphony of rustling leaves and birdsong, enhancing the sense of peace that envelops the property. Inside, the architectural charm of the house continues, with spaces designed to maximize light and flow. Large windows on both floors frame views of the garden, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into the living space. The interplay of natural light and the softness reflected by the brick walls infuse the interiors with an ambience that is both vibrant and soothing. Functionality is woven seamlessly into this picturesque setting, with practical elements like seating areas along the walkway and strategically positioned lighting that illuminates the path after sunset. The house isn't just a residence, it's a veritable oasis of hospitality and comfort, embodying the idea that home is an experience rather than just a place. Every detail, from the choice of materials to the layout of the garden, has been carefully considered to create a dwelling that is as comfortable as it is enchanting. In essence, the charming two-story American garden house is more than an architectural achievement. It is a living testament to thoughtful design that respects and enhances its natural environment. This home offers a timeless appeal, effortlessly blending vintage charm with modern convenience, an embodiment of harmonious living in balance with nature's beauty.